Here is the MiG wind test. Yep. Adjust a lot?
Just a couple clicks to the left. Other than that, it's really handling that pretty good. That's pretty much hands-on right there.
That's awesome.
It's getting moved around a little bit, but for how small it is, you would anticipate a lot less, or a lot more movement. Throttle right there. Oh, actually, it's a little bit less than that. It's barely above half. It's actually surprisingly stable. I mean, it looks jittery, but it's really not.
Yeah, that's why I was asking how much correcting you had.
Yeah, I mean, it's moving around, but it really doesn't feel jittery at all. Definitely like any other plane.
Feel like you're in danger.
Not at all. Definitely not like a different plane. Other plane. I'm bringing it on this one.
Okay. It just started.
It flies upside down like crap.
It's probably that high wing in the back.
Yeah. I'm really impressed with how good this thing is handling the wind.
That's crazy.
It is, man. Man, I know that thing's working hard, dude. It's blowing good, too.
Mm-hmm. It's every bit of 10.
Yeah, I do not feel like any problems whatsoever with this thing. Those birds are like attacking my plane. I like lining me up too.
And she's home.